greatest sound you'll hear all day. How to make a leader. So I have our carabiner, that's going to be our hook, and this green paracord, that's going to be our line. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a polymer knot for our hook. So loop it through, overhand, and then we're going to loop our hook through the loop we just made. And that will be our hook end. You have something like that. So that's our hook. Now on the other end of your leader, we're simply going to make a loop. And what we're going to do is overhand, just like so. And we're just going to twist the loop through. I like to do it about 5 times. In this instance, I only did it twice, just for your guys' sake, for a long video. And that'll be our loop. So now you have our loop and our hook. And you can easily attach this on your swivel and cast it out. Or, if you like to pre-make your leaders, you can simply wind it up, throw it in your tackle box. So now, I'll show you how to make a leader using a gamakatsu hook and some fluoro. So what we're going to do is, we're going to make our polymer knot, double it up, double up our line, that is, fish it through the eye of our hook, give ourselves a little room, have something like this, make an overhand knot with our loop, something like this, fish our hook through the loop, pull that all together, you have something like this. Then clip off our tag end, put our tag end in our tackle box, be good fishermen, pack out what you bring, get about an arm's length, we're going to make our loop, and you'll have something that looks like this, 1 loop and 2 loops. We're going to take our 1 loop and wrap it around these 2 loops about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have something like this. Pull our loop together. Take both of our lines. Pull it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Grab our hook end. That way we know we have the right side. All the way to your loop. Clip off the spool end so you don't have to redo this. Grab our spool. And now you should have your loop and gamakatsu hook. And then grab your hook, wrap it up like so. If you like to pre-make leaders like I do, then go ahead and throw that in your tackle box, and you're good to go, ready to fish.